Yeah, K4RCA is WA4PGI. Okay, well, we're just now getting things set up. We've been putting connectors on and all kinds of stuff, but I believe we're ready to go on 2 meters.
Well, you're sounding mighty fine, so I guess Dale's coming in here, but you and he can catch the folks up in the valley there, and then I can do the south end. Well, you can help with that too. You got a good signal, Gene. Gene, you're 5 knots plus in the wind for KO4 CTL.
Yeah, okay, Corey, very good. Yeah, we're just now getting set back up in here for the first time for quite a while. And my beam is south right now. So anyway, we'll see what we can do. I got Ricky and Janet up here with me, and I did not bring my sheet with everybody's call and name on it, so I'm going to really be in the dark.
Well, I'm looking at you, and you're looking about 90 degrees to me, and you're 10 over right there, so yeah, you're doing quite well, Gene.
Yeah, well, I can see where the interstate goes over the mountain there aft and above you, so there isn't too much between us, Corey.
Roger that. Well, sounding great. Yeah, I was just looking around for anybody, and you just blew through there. I was like, oh, wow. Did you get your amp online?
No, we hadn't got the amp online. We're just running 100 watts right now. I didn't bring it up here. I got to bring the 1296 amp up here so we can get some power on there. We've got the 6.2, 432, and 1296 antennas up, but I got to put a connector on the 1296. And we might be doing that here a little bit later this evening. We'll just see how it works out. Anyway, let's see, Stan, did you want to start it down that way?
Well, let's see if Dale's around. KJ4ZYB from K4RCA.
Big signals, big signals. We're fucking cooking now.
Well, I don't hear him, Gene. Go ahead and start up there and
oh God, I need some paper and pencil.
Pass it down.
They're in that black box.
Way, and of course, you'll probably hear a lot of those people as well. And then we'll just pass it back to you. So
underneath the blue box.
You can kind of do it that way. I don't know where Dale is, but take it away, K4RCA. Hey, Gene, K4I.
Yeah, who's that?
Yeah, this is KU4I David down here just north of Danville at Mount Herman. Could you check me in and out real quick? Because I've got some things I need to do upstairs, and I just heard you. It's been a long time since I heard you, so you sound marvelous down here in Danville this evening. WA4PGI, KF4W Valley tonight.
We got you. Stand by. We'll be back to you in just a minute.
Roger, roger.
He's in Louisa, Virginia. Jim is.
Yeah, that's
Louisa.
That would be no problem working in from there. he can work the world up there tonight.
We can hear him. Where's Louisa?
Very good, so thanks for checking in with us tonight.
It's a big area.
73. Anybody else here to the southwest like to check in to the Roanoke Valley for the Blue Ridge Microwave site to Internet? Gene, take it away and check. Get Jim. He's waiting over there in Louisa. Gene, K4RCA. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. We're aim Jim's way right now. Jim, we're up in the fire tower tonight for the first time for a couple of years, I believe. It's been kind of a rough start up here getting everything hooked up, but we finally managed, I believe. Your comments, the KF4WMB is WA4PGI.
Yeah, WA4PGI, KF4WMB. Yeah, I sent a message to Stan, and he usually checks me in the evenings, but he said you were up in the tower, so I moved the antenna around to you. Good signal. Anyway, glad y'all got this thing fixed and you're back up there again, Roger.
Yeah, we're really good. Ricky and Janet are up here with us, and they've been working and cleaning the place up. Janet's been cleaning the place up. She's afraid her two favorite fellas was going to die of something in here if she didn't clean it up, over.
I don't know. Anyway, I know y'all put a roof on it here some time ago, and hadn't been up there since.
No, we hadn't had the antennas up since then. We just now got them up last Saturday.
Does Steve have
And
his?
took about 6-7 hours of it to get them up, but they're up and they're working. And we still got to do some cable dressing down here and some connectorizing that we need inside, and a lot of cleanup still yet to get it the way we want it. But I think we're going to be in business, Jim.
Yeah, good deal. Anyway, Gene, yep, good to hear you here on 2 meters. And I'll catch you on 160 or somewhere else later. Thanks for checking me in there. WA4PGI, KF4WMB.
Okay, Jim, thank you for checking in with us. This is WA4PGI, looking kind of to the east. Any check-ins for the Blue Ridge Microwave Society 2 meter net? Any check-ins, over?
Wow.
Heavens above. Okay.
VMARC, KC4NWW. Willie.
Yeah, KC4
KC4NWW. Willie, we got you. We heard Joe. KG4IHP. Who is the other stations?
Whiskey Victor 4 CTL.
Wayne.
And for Zulu Foxtrot Quebec.
And 4 Zulu Foxtrot Quebec.
Okay, Corey, we got you. And CVF, your prefix again?
Wayne.
Kilo Oscar 4 Charlie Tango Foxtrot. Charlie Tango Foxtrot, Corey.
Yeah, Corey. I got you, Charlie. Let me pick up these and we'll look again. Willie, KC4NWW, WA4PGI.
Oh, just KC4NWW. I had to look out the window to make sure you wasn't sitting outside. You got the needle buried over in the corner. I got my beam toward the west. So you sounded good over this way. So it's been right. I bet it's right cool up there, KC4NWW.
It is, and it's getting cooler. And we got electric heater we're starting to look at here and see if we can find a hole to maybe plug it into. But yeah, it's kind of getting coolish in here. It was about 50 degrees when we got up here when the sun was up, but it's dropping pretty fast now. And Willie, thank you for checking in with us here this evening. Always glad to hear you, and we're going to probably be doing more of this from on the mountain now that we got the antennas back up. It's been a long dry spell. Willie, any additional comments?
Yeah, we used to go up on Bluff Mountain. My daddy and Thurman and a bunch of them go up on Bluff Mountain Tower. I know Thurman, he got scared going up down that tower. That thing creaked and carried on. Then somebody broke all the windows out of it, so they tore it down to KC4NWW.
Yeah, that can happen. That can happen, I'm sorry to say. Well, we hope nothing like that happens up here. Anyway, we seem to be doing okay so far. Willie, thank you for checking in with us. Let's pass it down here to Covington, KG4IHP, and I got my antenna sideways to you. Joe, this is WA4PGI.
WA4PGI, KG4IHP. I can hear you pretty good there, Gene. Not as good as about 15. I can hear you better earlier, but you're doing good. Yeah, you should be able to get some pretty good contacts up on the mountaintop, and I'm glad y'all got the antennas and stuff up there. That's great. Y'all can go up there and play around on the radio now. That's great. But Wayne also checked in there. I'm not sure if you got Wayne or not, but he's in there. But stay warm up there, Gene.
Okay, Joe. Yep, we got Wayne. He's next on our list. We have certainly heard him. And Joe, thank you for checking in with us. Hope everybody's doing well at your place. And we'll look for you again next week. So let me pass it on here to Wayne, WV4L. This is WA4PGI.
Alrighty, Team WA4PGI Whiskey Victor 4 Lima. Well, we're glad you guys are having a nice time up at the fire tower, and glad you got everything taken care of this past Saturday. Got the antennas up and going, and that's a great thing. I'll have to take that under advisement, and maybe I can finally make a trip up there sometime and take in the view and maybe play radio a little bit. WA4PGI, Whiskey Victor 4 Lima.
Okay, Wayne, very good. Yes, sir, we'd like to have you come up here with us anytime and have some fun. It's really great operating from up here. It's a good view when you're up here as well. So anyway, we'll catch you a little bit later. Thank you for checking in with us this evening. KO4, KO4, see, I can't get that call right. COF, that don't sound right. This WA4PGI, straighten me out.
Wayne, here I go calling you by the wrong name, Gene. It's real easy. Can't tune frequencies. Charlie Tango Foxtrot.
Can't tune frequencies. We can't tune anything up here tonight, I think, over.
Roger that. You guys are sounding great from the treehouse up there. Been there, seen that, and walked halfway up there, and a couple of the planks made me a little shaky at the knees, so I backed down. But hopefully y'all have resolved that issue. Got some antennas up in the air. It sounds great. And boy, when you take that brick up there, that's going to be something else. That's going to be a power station. So looking forward to that. And yeah, I heard Wayne, nothing on the S meter, but easy copy. I heard Joe at first, and then he dropped off. So not sure, probably conditions, but a lot of people I've never heard before. New rig, new antenna. So we're checking it all out here as well, learning some things, as you guys are again. But great to hear you up there, Gene, and say hi to everybody up there, and stay warm. We're going to be at one and done tonight. We're going to go over, swing toward Farmville 6 meters and check on Alvin and give him a little attention. So we'll see 7-3. KO4 CTF.
KX4DX, this is WA4PGI. Hello, Bob. How you like the signal from off of the mountain up here?
We're 5-5 here, 5-5. It's coming good, over.
Yeah, you sound real good up here. We're going to have our 1296 hooked up here maybe by Thursday night. I don't know. And the amplifier up here, and we'll see what we can do with you on that. We might just talk to you on phone, over.
Yeah, that sounds good, sir. You better take yourself a coat. You got a coat, I guess. It's going to get cold up there. Good to talk to you.
Okay, Bob, thank you for the call, and good luck. We'll catch you a little bit later. Catch you Thursday, if nothing else. KX4DX, it's WA4PGI, back to net. Okay, Stan, we're not having anything to the northwest, north, or northeast, or east, so looks like we've about cleared the band out, over.
Okay, Gene, give me Ricky and Janet's call signs, because I'm going to put them in the log since they're the ones that are really working up there where you are.
Z4T is Ricky, and Janet's KK4ZDK. Yep, both very active members of our club. Matter of fact, Janet's the president in charge of Vice, over.
Okay, Z4 Tango and Kilo 4 Zulu Delta Kilo, correct?
ZDK, yep, got it correct.
All right, well, I'm going to put them in the log here. And very good. Dennis was saying he had to scoot out. Didn't get to work you there, but appreciate you getting things going up there. You're sounding mighty good. WA4PGI, this is the BRMS net. We're closing down, and appreciate everyone who checked in this evening. K4RCA.
7-3, Stan.
WA4PGI, KJ4ZWAP.
Yes, sir, Mr. Dale. It's WA4PGI.
Well, are you seeing any stars up there tonight?
I see the window lights.
It's still almost sunlight up here.
It's still too light almost to see any. There might be beginnings of it.
Yeah, on the backside.
Over on the east, Janet's seeing some stuff, but to the west, we're still seeing
and I see a star.
some red haze on the horizon and blue sky above that. And I think we must be seeing Venus or something up there.
Yeah.
Mighty bright.
I see the star over there.
But
There, him.
Janet said she's seeing some stuff to the east, though.
No, his star.
His star. Oh, we see the Roanoke star.
Yeah, I see the from the far mountain back there.
Yeah, we can see the Roanoke star from here, over.
Can you actually see it?
Okay, well, seeing something at least.
Yeah, very light on
Have you
the
tried all the bands out up there? The only thing I got here that I could use is 6.
What time is it?
I don't have a 6 hook. I just got the 9700 hooked up, and I only have the 2-meter
905.
antenna hooked up to it right now.
905.
Ken hooked the 432 antenna up to it. Wouldn't take too much to do that, but that's about it for right now. We just got a real rat's nest up here we got to straighten out. Over.
No, I understand that. Yeah, I don't have 432 up yet, but yeah, well, radio is sounding good down here.
Okay, well that's good. That's what we like, and I think we'll be having some fun with it now.